In this video, we'll walk through the overlay image labeling interface, which lets you place one image on top of another to improve annotation accuracy and consistency. Overlay labeling is especially useful for tasks like satellite imagery comparison, medical scan alignment, and agriculture monitoring. To start, create a new project with overlay image labeling interface selected. Then, import your data, which should be structured like seen on the screen. You can also import images using our Python SDK. Links to the format and overlay images SDK documentations will be in the description. The labeling interface gives you controls for adjusting how the overlay appears on top of the base image. You can change the overlay opacity, scale mode, choose to preserve aspect ratio or not, and select the main overlay image if multiple are available. This makes it easier to label areas where boundaries, changes, or details may be difficult to see from the base image alone. After finishing the annotation, you can export the labeled data into any popular annotation format. The exported project then can be used for your custom computer vision training pipeline. That's the basic workflow for using overlay image labeling interface. Import your images, adjust the overlay, create accurate labels, and export the completed annotations. This approach helps reduce guesswork and makes labeling more consistent when working with complex or comparative image data. Subscribe to see more. See you in the next one.